Good morning, students. Welcome to Jafri and Fatima English School. I, Altaf Sir Lakhani, going to take your English subject, and today we are going to do about the English subject, lesson number 1. It is the hot rice plate. Now, what is the meaning of hot rice plate? Now, in this chapter, the hot rice plate means it is connected to an incident which happened thousands of years before, when there was a rule of kings. At that time, the war was happened and the king was not able to win it. So the next meaning of hot rice plate is means we are having the rice in a plate which is very hot. Now let us start with the warm up exercise. Here is the warm up exercise. We can see that how well do you know your own town or city. Now in the town or city where you are staying, what do you know about the town and the city? If you are staying in the town, then you have to know about your town, and if you are staying in the city, so you have to know about the city. Now let us read the first point and let us understand what the point is going to tell us. First is, it is famous for its art, craft, monument, special food items, and so forth. Means in this, what is the town famous for it? It is famous for art, it is famous for the crafting works, it is famous for the monuments. Now, monuments means thousands of years before something is built and which is still there, that is called the monuments. And the food items which is special for your city or your town, and some another things also. Are there any famous people who were born or have lived here? Means the people who is famous. For example, we can see that in most of the cities there are some of the people who were famous and they lived there, and now they are not there. For example, you can see that in Maharashtra, in the Bombay city, some of the famous cricketers, famous singers, famous actors, painters, crafters, etc. So many are there who are living there. And they were born there and they have lived for a long time, and now they are not there anymore. Are there any local legends associated with your city or town? As I said in before point, that are there any legends? Legends means who are very famous for all over the world, and now they are no more in this town or city. So now these are the some points that you have to write it. If it is possible, you have to find it out. Okay, now let us start with the lesson. Read a story which shows that wisdom, not brute strength, can help solve problems in life. Now, brute strength means, here is the word, that is brute strength. Brute strength means, if you can see, the brute strength means, here it is there, Down root strength means not well thought. Not well means not feeling well. If anything happens with you and then you are not feeling well or you are not able to say it, or we can say out thought out display of strength, means you are not having this that much strength and you are thinking out of that. So let us start with the lesson which we are going to study today. Around the 4th century age BCE, during the reign of the first Mauryan Empire, Chandragupta lived a man named Chanakya. Many also knew him as Kautilya or Vishnu Gupta. Now in this 4th century, now we can see that we are in which century? We are in We are in 21st century, and this is the century, that is 4th century, means thousands of round about it is 16 or 1700 years before. There was an emperor. Emperor means there was a king whose name was Chandragupta. As you have seen about the stories, there are so many stories about the kings, and that we have heard we have listened from the teachers, from the elders, and even we have seen from the story books also. And emperor and one name of the person, that was Chanakya. His two names were there. His names were Kautilya or Vishnu Gupta. Now see about Chanakya. He was an acharya and an economist, and is believed to be the author of Arthashastra, a study on economic policies, military strategy, and running the state. He was also the chief advisor of the king. Now he was known as the Acharya. Acharya means a teacher who teaches us, and an economist. Economist means who is very expert in the economic means we can say that what is running out, what is the problem of our country and how it is there. Economy means the money problem, the financial problem. This all, he was very intelligent in all this thing. He was very much expert and is believed to be the author of Arthashastra. Arthashastra is the book which is written on economics. So he was the author and he has written the book on economic policy. Now, military strategy and running the state. Now, military strategy means here we can say he know all the strategy, all the powers, all the plans about the military. What is the military is going to do? What are the arms and ammunitions? What are the weapons? Which they need the weapons are there or not. He looks out for all the things. And running the state means whatever the king is there, he does not run the state, but he gives only the orders. But the person who is the chief advisor of the king, so he was the chief advisor of the king, he looks out of all the things. Okay, so he looks out for all the things, whatever things are needed in the state, that he looks it out and solve it all the problem. Now next paragraph. Chanakya was extremely clever and is said to have helped Chandragupta Maurya ascend the throne. The emperor trusted him and always looked up to him for help and guidance. Now ascendance means to claim, means the king, as we say that to take the big position, some of the persons are there who is taking the big positions or he reaches at the high post, then he is reaching to that high post with the help of the advisor. Now you can see that our prime minister, he is also having the advisor. So advisor means who give the advice what to do or what not to do. Now he was very clever. Clever means we can say that he knows each and everything. He does not do the wrong things, and he does not make to happen the wrong things also in the state. So he have helped Chandragupta Maurya. So he helped the king. He has helped the king to get the throne back. Okay, throne means what? Throne means the king who is sitting on the seat, or we can say sitting on the chair in the kingdom. The emperor means he trusted. He trusted means whatever decision or whatever things or what each and every decisions taken by Chanakya, king always trust him. He has trusted him like anything because he knows that he can do each and every thing, and whatever decision is taken by decision taken by Chanakya, he is trusting him. He is taking, yes, it's okay. Okay, and whatever guidance is needed, means whatever help is needed from Chanakya, Chandragupta immediately takes the help of Chanakya because he was very intelligent, very clever, and very brilliant. He does not take the decision like this only, but he thinks it and he takes the right decision by seeing all these things. Okay, now let us go to the next page. Here you can see this is the picture of, here you can see this is the person. We can see that he is the king, and here you can see the plate of rice. Okay, here once after suffering a major defeat on the battlefield, Emperor Chandragupta was very depressed. He thought long and hard about how his enemy could be defeated but found no solution. Now see the how is the position of the emperor. He was sitting like this only, and you can see that he was very depressed. He was very thinking. As the sitting position, you can see that he said that he has defeated. Defeated means he has lost the battle, but the battle was very big. It was a major defeat. Major means he has defeated by a long margin. So what happened? Chandragupta was very depressed. Depressed means, if you want, you can see the meanings are also here. Here it is. Depressed means very sad. He was very sad. He does not like anything. So he was very sad. He thought long and hard but how his enemy could be defeated but found no solution. Now he thought long. Long means he was thinking and thinking. He was going on thinking, but he cannot find any of the solution. He tried to think hard, very hard. He tried that from all the angles he has thought it, but he cannot find any of the solution. So what happened now? Let us see. Finally, he summoned Chanakya and asked him for advice on how to be victorious. Now, yes, the word is there, summoned. This is the word, summoned. Summoned means he just asked to, he called Chanakya. Chanakya, who was the Chanakya? Let us remember again, Chanakya was the chief advisor of the king. So he called Chanakya. He said that what to do now? I am not thinking any of the way. I cannot think anything. Now what to do? So he said that Give me some advice how to defeat them, because I am not able to defeat them. I have so many armies, so many arms and ammunition, I am having so many weapons, so many soldiers, then also I cannot defeat him. What is the problem with me? How I am not able to defeat the person in the battle? Now, next, Chanakya looked at the king for a moment, then suddenly said, "Have your meal before we discuss this matter." Now, Chanakya came near to him. The king called him and he came near to him, and he was just seeing at the king. By seeing at the king, he did not start giving the advice how to defeat them. Instead of that, he said that you have take your meal. Take your meal actually means you take whatever eating thing is there. You just take your meal. Afternoon time we can say that is the meal. So take it your lunch, whatever it is. Then we will discuss the matter. Now in this paragraph you have seen that Chanakya does not give the advice. He is directly not giving the advice, but he has some idea in his mind. So he said that you just take a meal, means you just take your lunch first, then we will discuss about it. What is the matter? Now, taken aback, Chandragupta impatiently said, "Acharya, I am not hungry, I am angry, and feel humiliated at being defeated. Tell me a way to defeat the enemy." Now, here he was taken aback. Taken aback means again he has reminded. Here we can see taken aback means surprised. Chandragupta was surprised. Why he was surprised? Because Chanakya did not give the advice. He has directly said that take the meal. If somebody asks you for the advice, if you are not feeling well, or we can say you have lose the game, or you have not passed in the exam, or you have lose the game, then what it will happen when you are coming back at the home, or you are just calling to your any teacher or any coach, and you will tell him about the problem. So what he will tell you, he will directly give you the advice that not like this, do like this, so next time you will win the match. But here what happened, instead of giving advice, instead of giving advice to Chandragupta, Chanakya directly said that you just have a meal. So taken aback means surprised. Chandragupta was surprised. Why he was surprised? He said impatiently means now the patient was gone. Whatever the patience he was keeping till now it has gone. So he said to Acharya, he was not able to wait now. I am not hungry, I am angry. Means I don't want to eat anything. I am not hungry now, I am very angry. Angry means what? You know, if the person loses something, then his mind does not work it properly. So he was very angry, not hungry, and feel humiliated at being defeated. Now humiliated means here we can see very embarrassed. Embarrassed means he was not able to control it. He was not able to control his mind, control his body, because he has lost it. He has lost the battle. If you are defeated by your enemy, or you are defeated by your friend whom you not like it more in the class or in your colleague, then what it will happen? Your mind gets stuck. Your mind will not work properly and you will do some wrong things. But here king has not done the wrong thing, but he was just sitting there and thinking about that. Okay, what to do? Tell me a way to defeat the enemy. Now he said to Chanakya that please tell me the way how I can defeat the enemy. So here he said that give me the way, show me the way, or give me some advice, or give me some plan that I can defeat the enemy. So this was the problem. Now Chanakya have to give the answer because he was the chief advisor, and whatever the king has told, he has to do it. Otherwise, there will create a problem. Okay. Now, let us see the next paragraph. Chanakya looked at Chandragupta calmly and pointed to the plate of hot rice placed before him. Eat that first. I promise you that we will find a way. Be patient. Now, what Chanakya said, looking. You just Chanakya looked very calmly. Chanakya looked at Chandragupta calmly. Now see somebody if who is very depressed, who is very sad, if we just go and tell him like this that you start eating, afterward we will discuss, at that time what it will happen? He will shout at us. If he is shouting at us, then what we will do? At that time, our temper also will be gone. We will also not hear it. If somebody is shouting at us, we will not listen to that person because he is not well now, because he is very sad and he is very depressed. If we are shouting at him, then what it will happen? There will be a quarrel between two person. So here what happened? So he looked very calmly. Calmly means he has not said anything, with a smile. He has not shouted at the king. He just looked with a smile and pointed to a plate of hot rice placed before him. Now you can see here, as I showed you before, here this is the hot rice plate. Okay, so here he has shown you. So he has pointed out. What he has done? He has pointed out. Pointed out means he has shown it. Just you look at that plate placed near to the table. So he has pointed out before him. Okay, no problem. Eat that first. Means first you start eating that plate. You first start it. After eating the plate, we will find a way. Be patient. So, in this thing, the Chanakya was to make him understand about that. You just start eating the plate of rice and then we will discuss it what to do. Okay, so be patient means stay calm, stay cool, don't be so hurry. Something we need, then what we are doing? We are going fast and taking, I want. Okay, you are telling to your father or mother, for example, if you need some good things, for example, you need some toy. Okay, so what you will do there? You will not wait it for a long time because you need it at anyhow. Understood? So they said that be patient, keep calm, we will do it, we will find the way. Don't be so panic means don't get so hurry, we'll do it. Okay, so here one more paragraph will take it. Seeing that Chanakya would not budge, Chandragupta decided to eat quickly. The moment he sat down to eat the plate of hot rice, Chanakya said, "Finish it fast. I have thought of a wonderful plan. Now budge." Budge means change his decision. Means now looking at Chanakya. Looking at Chanakya means looking at the Chanakya. Now he was eager to know about the advice how to defeat, but now he has changed his idea. He has changed his mind. So Chandragupta decided to eat quickly. Why he was why he decided to eat quickly? Because Chanakya was going to give him the advice how to defeat the enemy. So Chandragupta started to eat quickly, very fast. As he finished it fast, like this, if he finishes fast, so he can get the idea from Chanakya. The moment he sat down to eat the place of hot rice, Chanakya said, "Finish it fast. I have thought of a wonderful plan." So as he was sitting to eat, just he was taking the plate nearer to him, then Chanakya said, "Finish it fast." Finish it fast means to eat it very fast, because Chanakya has got a wonderful plan in his mind. So by standing there only near to emperor, what he has done, he has immediately thought about a plan, because he was having the plan in his mind only, but he don't want to share it now. After eating only he will share it. So like this it has started. Now in the first thing you have seen that this you have to write it in your fair book, meanings. Okay, these meanings you have to write. Then on the next page, this is all the meanings that you have to write it in your fair book. First you write the name of the lesson, then you write the meanings, and afterwards in the next part we will start from this paragraph. From here we will start it. Okay, so till here we have completed. Okay, till here we have completed, and we will start from this paragraph where I have put it tick mark. Okay, so just you complete it, all these things. As far as we will complete it, you just complete the books, write the definition, write the meanings, and in the next part we will start from this side. Okay, so have a nice day. Don't come out of your house without any reason. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, goodbye.